Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video guys, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, and more specifically affiliate marketing without a website. This is a very in-demand topic because most people don't want to be bothered with having to create a website when doing affiliate marketing, whether it's a website or a blog or a landing page. And it's very understandable because people just want to get started as soon as possible, and having to create a website or a blog can take a lot of your time. So what is the simplest way to get started with affiliate marketing where you don't have to worry about creating a website? And this is what we're going to talk about in this video. Plus, I'm going to show you some great examples of this, how this can really work for you and how it's working for other people as well, okay? So just in case you might be totally new to this and you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. So if somebody is selling a $100 product and he's offering a 50% commission on every sale, then you as the affiliate would make $50 on every sale. As simple as that. Affiliate marketing has been around for a really long time, and it's a great source of income online for a lot of people. And to get started with affiliate marketing, usually there's three things you need to do, right? Number one is you need to have an offer that you can promote, a good converting product. Number two, you usually need like a bridge page or website that you can send your traffic to so that you can warm them up even more and before sending them to your affiliate offer, or maybe build an email list. And third is to drive traffic, right? But in this tutorial, we're going to skip number two. We're not going to build any website. We're not going to talk about building a blog. What we're going to talk about is picking the right product and then sending traffic to that offer so that you can start making sales as soon as possible. To find an offer that you can start promoting, there's a ton of different places that you can go. But one place that a lot of affiliates love to go to is ClickBank. ClickBank has been around for a really long time, since early 2000 or even before that. And it's a great place that a lot of affiliates love to go because you tend to find a lot of really high converting products on there. If you go on ClickBank and you go to their marketplace, you'll find a ton of different products that you can choose and start promoting as an affiliate. You can choose the category, which are like the different niches that you want to pick a product from. Or if you don't know which niche to go for, you can simply just in the search bar here, just leave it blank and then click on search, and basically ClickBank will show you a bunch of different products that are selling very well at the moment that you can start promoting as an affiliate. In this video, I'm going to focus more about traffic, how you can generate free traffic and start promoting ClickBank products, for example. But if you want to learn more about how to find great products off of ClickBank, what to do, simply go to my channel and there's a ton of videos that I've created about this, okay? But very quickly, just in case you're totally new to this, when picking a product on ClickBank, you usually want to go for products that have a good gravity score. Gravity is basically a measure of how popular a product is. The higher the number, it means the more affiliates are making money from that product. You don't want to pick a product that has too high of a gravity score, because then it would mean that it's very competitive. But usually you want to find a product that has a good gravity score of 200 or 300. One other thing you want to look at is the average order, how much you would get paid per sale. This is very important, especially if you're doing paid advertising. And you also want to look at products that have affiliate pages. Those are basically resources that has been provided to you by the seller that you can use in your arsenal and use to gain traffic and use to get sales for their offer, okay? But I'm not going to go too much in detail in this. As I've said, I have other videos on this. But yeah, this is in a nutshell, very quickly, how you would go about picking a good converting product off of ClickBank. So let's say you've picked a product that you want to promote, right? So the next step now is to drive traffic. There's really two kinds of traffic out there. You've got like paid traffic and you've got free traffic. Now, paid traffic, obviously, it's not for everybody. You need to have a budget for it. Paid traffic can cost a bit of money, especially at first, because you need to test a few things until you find an ad that converts really well. You need to test different images, different headlines, different landing pages, and so on. And you can't really send traffic directly to your affiliate offer when doing paid traffic, because a lot of websites out there that offer paid advertising don't like it when you send traffic directly to your affiliate offer. So for this video, obviously paid traffic is not going to be an option. But what we're going to talk about is free traffic. And there are a ton of free traffic out there that you can use to generate sales for your affiliate offer. One amazing free traffic source that we are going to talk about that you obviously already know about, but maybe you never thought about it, is obviously YouTube, which is the platform that you're using right now. YouTube is the second most popular website on the planet, which gets a ton of traffic. And it's a very good source of traffic because it's more than just a social media website. It's more than just a video sharing website. It's also a search engine. This is a website that people go to find answers to their problems. And generating traffic on YouTube is a very good way of generating high quality converting traffic. Don't worry, what I'm going to show you in this video is not about showing your face on camera. I know a lot of people don't like that. I'm going to show you examples of how people are using YouTube to generate traffic for their affiliate offer and how you can do similar things to what they are doing. So how would you go about creating videos and content for YouTube where you don't have to show your face? Is basically by creating videos out of stock photos and stock videos. Now, what I'm going to show you are free images, free videos that you can use. You don't have to pay for them, but this is a very cool way of creating really good quality videos for YouTube where you don't have to show your face. And it's very easy and you can create a ton of those videos very quickly. I'm going to show you how, and I'm going to show you example of channels that are doing this and are getting great success doing this. What you could do is you could go to a website like Pexels.com, which is a website where you can find a ton of free images and free videos that you can use. For example, let's just say we were in the luxury niche. You can find a ton of photos and videos in that niche. For example, let's just say, since we are creating content for YouTube, let's say you were to find videos in the luxury niche, you can find a ton of different videos that are free that you can use and create for your YouTube channel. You can simply download a ton of those videos, and then what you would do is smash them together, add a few texts on them, maybe a few headlines, and make them look very appealing, get a bunch of those really good quality videos, and then you could use, let's say, a website like Canva.com where you could basically smash those videos together and then add a few headlines as well, maybe something enticing, and basically you can create a ton of those really easy to create videos very quickly. For example, if you check out this channel here, Lifetime Winners, that's exactly what they do. They just get videos, free videos off of website like Pexels.com, and they smash them together and create those 8-minute long videos, 6-minute long videos. And they've been doing this for quite some time, and as you can see, they are still very active. They post every week, sometimes more than once a week, and they're still getting views, and they are doing this for affiliate marketing. Here's another website here called Vibo, and they've got close to 500,000 subscribers, and that's exactly what they've been doing. Basically just finding those videos, smashing them together, sticking them together, and just upload them online. Be really creative with this, guys. You can do this in any niche. You don't have to do it in the luxury niche. What I showed you here is an example, but you can do this in a lot of different niches where you can find images and videos very easily, free images and free videos very easily, and you can do something similar to what those guys are doing. Like the channel I just showed you, Lifetime Winners. As you can see, they get close to more than 500,000 views every month doing this. And they are still very active. As I showed you, they are posting videos every week. They posted one like 1 day ago. And if you go into the description, you will see that they have links to affiliate websites like Amazon. They are linking to a book on Amazon. They have other links where they sell products, most probably affiliate products. So this is a method that works really well for them, and you can do something very similar where you could provide affiliate links for products of Amazon, like books that are for businesses, or you could literally just send them to like a business course. This is a very cool way on how you can generate free traffic using YouTube, and basically you can create those videos, as I've said, very easily doing this particular method. Needless to say, guys, I'm going to be honest with you, don't expect amazing results from this overnight. This is something that will take time. You need to build traffic over time, because that's the problem with free traffic. It does take a little bit of time to build up. However, if you do this consistently and you create those videos every single day and you post them online every single day, eventually they will start stacking up and you will start generating a lot of free traffic for your affiliate offers. What I showed you in this video is one example in the luxury niche, but you can do this in any niche. And as I've said, you don't have to show your face. And as you can see, they are not sending their traffic to their website or their blog. They're sending it directly to the Amazon page or to some other website out there where they are earning affiliate commissions. And you can do exactly the same thing. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because I post content on a regular basis. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.